Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a few tips and tricks after you have applied the first skim coat. I'll show you an easy way to speed up the drying time and how you can avoid sanding after the first skim coat. And if you missed the first video of this series where I showed you how to apply the joint compound, do the skim coating, all the tools you needed to do the skim coat, and also how to mix the skim coat mud, I'll leave a link in the end screen at the end of the video. All right, that's the first skim coat. Let me get some light on this. I mean, if you had an orange peel texture, you would definitely not see anything, but this knockdown texture is a little heavy. And if you're new to the channel, welcome. My name's Paul, and I've been a drywall and painting contractor for over 20 years. If you're looking to hone in your drywall, texturing, or painting skills, be sure to hit that subscribe button and also hit the bell notification to get alerted whenever I post a new video. All right, so here's another tip for you. When you're done doing your first coat, you don't want to leave your roller nap just sitting out in the air because that's going to dry and put boogers all over your wall. Now this works whether it's rolling on joint compound or if you're painting, if you put it in plastic. If you put it in plastic, like a plastic bag from your grocery store or just plastic, wrap it up, it'll last for a day or two. Paint or joint compound. Put the lid on. You're not going to have to do anything to get rolling again. You do need to clean your mud pan and knives. Anything that's got joint compound, go ahead and clean it. Roller, plastic. So if you want to speed up the drying time on the joint compound, put a fan on it. If you can, turn your AC down and the fan will dry it out a lot faster. Alright, so I wanted to give you a view in the drying process. I get a lot of questions on how do you know when it's dry. You know your skim coat is dry when it's turned white. If you look over to the right side, you can see it's a little darker. And above's a little darker. It's dried right there because the fan was blowing there. You got to move your fan around just a little bit. But you can see that it's dry over here and still drying on the right side and above. It's been exactly 1 hour. Probably got another hour, it'll be completely dry. Alright, the first skim coat is dry. No need to sand it. All you have to do is scrape off any high edges. Let me know in the comments if you're a DIYer, a contractor, painter, handyman. Just kind of curious. Just scraping any of the higher ridges down with my 6-inch knife. This dried for 2 hours with a fan on it. So the fan really helps, especially on a painted surface when you skim coat over it. Doesn't tend to soak in like on a new drywall. I mean, not a lot of scraping at all. Second coat's not going to have all these ridges. And if you want to step up your drywall, texturing, or painting game, be sure to hit that round icon in the middle of the screen now to keep up with all my latest videos. If you've got a friend that's a contractor or DIYer, be sure to share this video with them on Facebook or Twitter. Thanks so much for watching. There's more of my most popular video links down below in the description.